Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this past weekend I had the amazing opportunity to go to California and visit my friend, and we both decided to vlog the trip. I'll have her video linked below. Her name is Sarah Sue, so be sure to check that out. So since I'm a really bad vlogger, there are a lot of clips that didn't really make sense, so I decided to narrate the entire video as well. So this is narration me. So on Friday afternoon, I drove with my mom to the airport and I flew alone to California. I didn't really vlog the arrival or the first night that I got there because since it was so late for me, we basically just had some tea and talked some, and then I went off to sleep. So the next morning we woke up and we went to the farmer's market, which was so adorable and honestly so amazing. And we got the most delicious breakfast ever, breakfast burritos, and I think I got an oat milk latte or something like that. And then we just looked around at all the cool things. Oh, it smells. Oh, you're ahead of me. Oh, sorry, I'll wait. Okay. I really hope I like this. This is so good. We just left the farmer's market. It was super cute. We got coffee and burritos.
Most delicious things ever.
Yeah, so good. So after that, we went to a Goodwill that was nearby, and we only looked through 3 racks, and we found so much good stuff.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
After that, we drove right to IKEA, had lunch, took pictures, and just looked around in general. I also got a succulent. It was fake because I couldn't travel home with the real one, but we got matching ones, and this is what it looks like.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
I almost dropped that from my room.
The bear?
No.
Are you hungry?
I'm so excited. That you're holding back.
Shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. You said, ooh, ooh. Shut up and dance with me. Me? So, I know you may be confused with what you just saw, and yes, you were correct. You saw a cat on a leash. So, basically, the whole story is that cat is a super rich, bougie, 15th descendant from a leopard, little mini kitty. It's hypoallergenic, and the trainer decided to leash train it. They've been leash training it for 2 weeks, and honestly, I am very proud of them because I don't think I could do that with a cat. It's really cute. So yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you because it's probably the most LA thing that I saw when I was in LA. Did you find ideas and inspiration for your hometown?
Yes. But
decided it would be a good idea for me to literally get into a shopping cart. I know. And take pictures. So here's the finished product. Our trip at IKEA was successful. We bought succulents and now we're gonna go take pictures because it's golden hour. Bye, IKEA. When we got home, we just had dinner, edited our videos some, and honestly just passed out because we were both so exhausted. First thing the next morning, we decided to film a thrift haul and get coffee from Starbucks. Departing from coffee. Wait, that did not make sense.
We are now departing from coffee.
I got a iced latte with coconut milk. Highly recommend. And now we're gonna go home and edit a little, and then we're gonna go to Venice Beach. Then we were off. We went to Venice Beach to the most adorable and expensive street ever. Okay, so we just got out of the car and now we are here in Venice Beach and we're on this really cute street. They're selling like alpaca clothes and it's really cool, but literally a plain white t-shirt is $40. I don't have enough money for this. Just saw my first pair of in real life Balenciagas.
What are those?
The ones that look like socks. What? I think I'm so. You don't know what the Balenciagas are? Like the shoes?
No.
Like basically this really rich guy was like wearing AirPods and like had Balenciagas. Wait, Hugh left. Oh, that's him right there. But anyway, we're getting coffee now at this really cool shop and we're waiting in line right now. I take the time to read this, then you're wrong. Okay, so we were getting a little stressed out, frenzied, yeah, by the extreme noise. So we came inside and we're sitting inside Tom's now and eating our ice cream, and it's honestly so nice. Then we got dinner with Sarah Sue's parents. I got mussels with chorizo and they were so good. And we went home. Hi guys. So we have now gotten back from Venice Beach where we ate dinner and we've been here for like 2 hours, an hour, like 2 hours or something. We've just been sitting here having a little editing party, watching The Office, eating popcorn and cupcakes, and editing our videos. And yeah, And then the next morning, we woke up at 5 in the morning feeling like crap, and I unfortunately had to go home. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video so you can keep seeing more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!